Grayson is on. Oh yeah, that was sick. That was sick. Woo!
That's a good one.
I threw it up here.
Do I keep it in?
Yeah, keep it in here for a little bit.
You threw the bait on your phones?
Yeah, I just threw it up there. And the other rod. Walk around the back, Grayson. Walk to the back. Here.
Lift it up over me. Here, I got it.
Come around here, Grayson.
Dad, grab it. All right, go, you want Dad, get him down.
You got it? Reel. There you go. Nice. Who's been a good boy?
Keep them in there.
I don't really know. We seem to be having luck just picking them off. On live bait?
Yeah, no. We need that.
There you go.
Got them in?
All right, I'm gaffing. Yeah. Let's
take a picture of that sucker real quick. Oh, I still got us coming. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Nice.
Good jump.
Watch.
Sword.
Oh, it's a sailfish.
Sail.
It's a sailfish.
Oh, I thought it was a sword. Hey, watch the
Hey, I gotta turn away so we don't get hung up on these buoys. Hey, reel that line in. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. I thought it was lower.
Move the rod so I can get to the other boat. Just lay him down.
Woo! Boys!
Whoa! What is that thing out here? Holy frick, dude.
Sailfish, dude. Sailfish.
This is awesome.
Why is a sailfish?
5 stars.
What do you mean why? They're out here, dude.
Dad, are we just gonna keep going away from it or what?
Well, I'm not sure what. I think I could back up to a sailfish, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Well,
All right, keep tension on them,
Yeah, you got it.
because I'm gonna start backing up too.
Yep. I haven't even got the reel yet.
I think your drag's good now, and you fight before.
okay.
Alright, yeah, back up now.
He's straight off the stern.
He's letting me do it.
Hey, boys, see if you can find some gloves down in here. In that
Where?
blue, see if you can find in that blue bag.
This one over here.
I packed some at one time with the but
That was freaking sick. I saw it jump out.
You saw him come up surface,
He went
or
like
he
this,
jumped?
went over the surface, over my bait, and I missed him. Then he turned back. Right
Oh, really? Yeah.
Red glove?
Sick.
All right, we're gonna have to just use this
Give me a
bag.
towel. All right, Bentley, you want to take over videoing?
What you're doing, Dad. Making headway on him.
I swear, planted them buoys for action.
Yeah.
Some shorter probably put those out here.
I don't see color fish. He must be fairly.
He didn't take that much drag though.
No, I know, but
He's going up.
coming up.
All right, get ready.
Coming up.
Point it to him. Oh, get the video! Yeah, there you are. That's awesome.
That is.
Oh,
sweet.
yeah.
He's going. Yeah, go forward.
Hang on, boys.
Real. Good job, Grayson. I'm sorry. I'm just excited. I mean,
can be excited.
Bentley.
Everybody.
I'm just excited.
Oh my
Lord! Back up, back. Wait.
Yeah, he did.
Coming again.
Oh, running now. He's coming again, Bentley. Oh, sick. Hey, keep that camera pointed out there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, there he is. Here. Oh, no, is that another one?
Where?
Wait. If that's not mine, it's a different one. I wish I would have ate before
Oh,
this.
you're doing good. Everybody's doing good here.
This kind of fish is just like being on the boat is the experience.
Oh,
It don't matter who's reeling it in.
Oh, man. Look at him down there, dude.
Yep, you can see that
Oh,
dark.
yeah.
That's not mine.
Huh?
Is that mine?
Yeah, I just seen it.
I know I can see that one too, but I don't know if that one's mine. Did you just had your bait in the water or you just
Bentley's coming up
dangling?
again.
Coming up, Bentley.
Coming up.
Pointer towards deck. Yep, good job. Coming close to the surface, I think, dude.
Oh, yeah. Look at that thing rolling.
Yeah,
in there,
I
man.
see his color now. He's getting tired.
Yeah, I'm about to faint.
You're about to faint?
My muscles hurt. It's caused me to feel like dehydrated or something.
You need some agua?
Yeah.
You all right,
Alright,
Diz?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, I'm good.
Just don't let go of the rod.
Oh, I won't let go. Serious, Mark?
Serious, Clark? Dude. That is wild.
I just can't freaking believe it.
You need a water dish? Want Grayson to grab a water out of the cooler?
Yeah, sure.
Grab him a water and open it up and
Good job, Bentley.
pump him full of some hydration.
You gotta come stab me. What do you want to do with the water? Open it up.
Feed it to him.
Let him have it, get a drink.
Feed it to him.
Get on video.
Drink, boy. Drink.
Nice, everyone's doing good. Oh yeah. There he is coming up. See him? You see his color, Bentley?
Yeah.
Yep. Look at that sail, man.
Ooh, that sail, that's good.
First time.
Diz, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. If you need something, let us know. But
Yeah.
keep going if you're good.
He's going that way.
Diz, reel some up. Yeah, there you go. You're good. You're good.
Yeah, keep going forward.
Keep going forward, Jeremy.
He's under. I think he's going under.
Shoot. All right, here we go.
Reverse. Reverse, Jerry.
Okay, you're good, Jeremy.
Alright. Forward.
Nice work. Nice work.
Good job, Papa. Alright, he's coming right for us. Jump up and stab us. Alright, he's going up.
There you go.
Coming. Ooh, a little. He's getting tired.
Oh, shimmy, shimmy.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Who knew you could have so much fun at
Done.
all before 10:30?
Oh, yeah. On a couple of things.
And not at school.
Trash in the water is life out here.
Oh yeah.
Yes. That was like a lot of mahi on that.
Well, we are definitely we're just circling.
This thing was
We are
just
going
out in the
circles.
open.
He's getting tired.
I can't reel, so I'm gonna
That's
have
fine. We need to get a little bit tired out so we can do some. I'm gonna keep the motors just how they are.
Are you reeling up a little?
This. Hold out that way. Reel in a little bit.
I can't. Alright. Alright, you're good.
Okay, I see leader.
Are you still filming? Leader touch. Leader touch.
Okay.
Leader touch. Leader touch, Bentley. Yeah, you getting in there?
Hello.
Got him.
Oh my.
Okay. Okay.
Hold
Do
him.
you have a good thing on him?
I have. Give me 1 second.
Hold him in the boat.
Okay, I'm good on him.
Okay.
Wait.
Let's take the tension off the line. Neutral hold.
This is awesome.
There. You got videos, Bentley?
Yeah.
You want to grab his tail? I got his bill. Let's turn him.
Hold on to him there.
Dude, man, that is sick.
Dude, way to go.
You got it?
Way to go. Yeah, I've got him. Yeah, hold that bill or that fin up, Justin. Yeah, now this.
That's awesome.
Dude.
Come on, first shark gets me.
I got you, dude. I got you all day.
Alright.
All right, we're switching from pelagics to bottom fish right now. So Juicin is hooked up on an AR, like a boss.
First bait down.
Bentley's just taking a break here. He's actually your videographer.
Just keep it under your legs.
Yeah, we got a message on the spot.
If I can handle
Give me,
Tosh
Tosh says, give me details. Any luck? We're gonna let her wait a little bit on
We haven't
that.
got a fish.
Yeah.
Is he stuffed?
Who?
You?
Oh.
Oh. Looks like you're just chilling with this.
Just relax, Mr. Sailfish boy.
There he is.
See color?
I do. That is an AR if I've ever seen one.
What'd you say?
That's an AR. Looks pretty nice too. Oh, he looks.
Way nice. That's pretty nice, I'd say. Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Justin!
Get him in, Dad.
Oh, I got him gaffed.
That is insane.
Here I was making fun of you, and that thing was a beast,
Boy,
dude.
big!
Holy
That's a
crap!
Holy crap, Dad.
Dang.
That is like a grouper.
Beast.
I don't think
Let me get a picture of that.
Yeah. That'll eat, boys.
That's a taco. There's
on!
Pull him up.
Dakota!
Dude, you got a awesome.
Right through the eyes.
Aye, right through the eye.
Eyeball check.
Uh,
Eyeball check on aisle 6.
Aye.
All right, Bentley, you want to reel
Dude,
this out?
Yeah.
nose is stuck.
Jeffy knows.
Jeffy knows best.
Jeff is our GoPro.
Jeremy, you want to take the GoPro real quick?
I do.
You know, I like pictures.
Well, it's fine.
You got a little while to reel.
Where's your dad's phone? Dad, somebody else can get the camera. I want a picture.
Oh yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Hold that boy up. Nice one.
You can tell by them tails.
He's got a scamp. Little white tip on there. Yep. Scamp neck.
Nice job, Bentley.
Dude, we can only keep 2 kinds and you caught one of them.
I got a scam.
That's incredible.
I can't.
Oh yeah, it is. Go ahead and just slap him in. There's plenty of room.
Not
Just
really.
kidding.
Oh my.
Dude, look at that.
Look at him slapping me.
Look at that thing. Look at that.
Big Bertha pregnant?
Big particle pregnant. Dad, should we measure him? Do you think he's
Just
close?
look at that. Beast mode.
Mine, Dad, I think that's PD. So you're not up on that wall that's tall. Oh, I got this one.
Oh, right there, Jimmy.
Yeah, don't let him have some tension. Or don't let him not have tension.
Oh, it's slime.
Yeah, I know the boat's slick.
Nice and easy. Don't even worry yourself out. Just when
We
you
got
run,
another
people let 'em
first
run.
they are.
Well, that's unfortunate.
Well, Gracie gets a good picture.
That's a big chunk of meat right there.
That way, in the sun.
Yeah, get
Push him out a touch.
You!
Dude, that fish Look at this scamp. Look at the scamp.
Can you smile?
That's the small scamp.
Let me see, Grayson.
Hey, look at Dakota scamp.
Tosh.
Nice.
Yeah, look at
Wow, guys.
Scamp was
That's the biggest scamp I've personally ever seen.
that is a mega strong.
That is
Where do you want?
Incredible right there.
Yeah. That was
They
sick. And we
both-
were all tangled up and we were just like a situation.